Okay, this is 3:20. I am wearing a mask. I'm speaking loudly. I'm projecting. I'm walking around the classroom using the video from the Logitech camera plugged into my laptop, but I'm currently using the audio from the laptop. So this is built-in microphone on the laptop. I'm going to switch now to the Connect device. This is now audio from the camera that's built in. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to walk around a little bit, project my voice, speak to the class, move a bit further away, now coming closer. When I'm off camera, I'm behind it now on the other side of the room, speaking out during class. Now I'm going to switch to that are in my ear. And now we see a difference in sound. I'm still speaking as loudly as I was before. I can walk a good distance farther away from the camera, farther away from that. The microphone is on me, so that ought to be sounding quite a bit better. And if I walk off screen, still talking, moving around and projecting in class.